Hello everybody, Chad Davis here from St.Albert Dodge. We have a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. It's got 20-inch wheels on it. It's got a little bit of a lift. They also changed out the grille in the front end. Looks a little pretty mean there. Coming around the side, got a side step on here. Also, the customer installed a locking gas tank, which you need a key to get into the gas tank. That's pretty awesome. Full-size spare on the back. So, you got lots of room in the back here. And then under here, you have storage, but it's locked. We'll just skip that, but there's some storage under there. And if you guys want to come inside, I'll show you somewhere. Hello, welcome to the interior of this 2018 Wrangler. So you have an AM/FM radio. You also have a CD player. You have heated seats in here. You have power adjustable mirrors that are heated mirrors as well too. You have a Freedom top. Also have fabric seats that's upgraded fabric. You have a locking glove box, which you can lock all your wallet and everything in if you have the doors off and you're out at the beach or something. So lots of cool things about this vehicle. Very customized. And if you guys have any questions about it, give me a call at 780-278-2423. Have a nice day.